Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to delete all contacts data in Snapchat on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat app. So here is my Snapchat app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on your profile picture at the top left. And then tap on this gear icon, this settings at the top right. And I have this settings, this screen opened. And on this screen you have to scroll down to additional services section. So let me go to that. So here I have this additional services, this section, and in this section here we have this manage. So just tap on this, and after that just tap on this contacts, and I have this manage contacts, this screen opened. And you can see guys here we have this view contacts. So let me tap on this, and you can see here we have this view contacts, this is screen opened, and here we have this message. Let's read that. This is the contacts and related information we have uploaded from your device. You can see. Learn more about other data that we store from your address book. So if you want to learn more, just tap on this learn more link. So in order to delete all contacts data in Snapchat, you have to go back and you have to come to this manage contacts, this screen, and you can see here we have this link, delete all contacts data. So you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this, and I have this pop-up, delete contacts data. By selecting confirm, you will delete all contacts and no longer sync contacts with your Snapchat. Are you sure? So just tap on this confirm this button. Let me tap on this. And if I tap on this view contacts, you can see it's now deleted. So let me go back. So that's it. It's now done. After that, you can go back to your main screen. So let me go to that. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.